Isin. Hey traders, Jupiter Crypto is up 3% in the last 24 hours, now trading around 16 cents. But here's the twist, trading volume is slightly down. So what does that mean? Is this the start of a bullish breakout? Or just a classic trap? When price rises but volume drops, it can signal weak momentum. Buyers may not be strong enough to sustain the move. For a true bullish run, we'd want to see volume increasing along with price. So for now, stay cautious, watch the volume, and don't chase the pump too early. Smart traders wait for confirmation, not hype. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Jupiter Crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Jupiter Crypto. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime, happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.